Want to upgrade your brake calipers with style and protection? In this video, we review the top 5 caliper paints on Amazon that offer bold color and high heat resistance. Starting with the most premium option, the G2 Caliper Paint System Kit is widely regarded as the gold standard. This kit includes everything you need for a professional-grade finish: a 2-part epoxy paint system, cleaning solution, brush, mixing can, and gloves. What sets the G2 apart is its impressive heat resistance, up to 980 degrees Fahrenheit, and its ultra-glossy, chip-resistant finish. Unlike spray options, the brush-on application allows for thicker coverage and better control, reducing overspray and waste. Available in a range of colors including red, yellow, silver, and black, the G2 kit is ideal for enthusiasts who want a long-lasting, high-performance finish that looks as good as it performs. Next, we have the VHT Caliper Paint, a spray-on solution that's both accessible and reliable. This aerosol paint is specially formulated to withstand the extreme heat generated by brake components. It offers high temperature resistance, typically up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and is designed for direct application to properly prepared surfaces. VHT's formula cures into a tough, durable coating that resists chipping, fading, and corrosion. It's ideal for weekend DIYers who want an easy-to-apply product with excellent color depth and shine. Whether you're working on a track car or a daily driver, VHT delivers great results for the price and has earned thousands of positive reviews from satisfied users. Coming in third is the DUPLI-COLOR Caliper Paint Kit, a full system designed for ease of use and great visual appeal. The kit includes a can of ceramic-based spray paint, caliper cleaner, masking tape, and a brush for detailing. Its ceramic resin provides durability and heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. What makes this kit popular is its all-in-one approach. Everything you need comes in the box, which is especially helpful for first-time users. The paint lays down smoothly and dries with a high-gloss finish, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their calipers without the hassle of buying separate tools and supplies. Another strong contender is the RUST-OLEUM Caliper Paint, a 12-ounce aerosol option designed for serious performance and convenience. This enamel-based formula is heat-resistant up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and offers outstanding durability against brake dust, road salt, and chemicals. The spray can feature an any-angle nozzle and comfort tip for easier application, even in tight spaces. With its reputation for lasting protection and vibrant color options, RUST-OLEUM is often recommended for users who want a high-performance product at a more affordable price point. The fast-drying formula and excellent adhesion make it a favorite for quick weekend upgrades. Rounding out our list is the POR 15 Caliper Painting Kit, which stands out for its rust-inhibiting properties. This brush-on kit includes a cleaner, metal prep, caliper paint, and gloves, offering a comprehensive solution especially useful for older or corroded calipers. POR 15 is known for producing extremely tough coatings, and this kit is no exception. While it offers a slightly lower heat tolerance, up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it compensates with superior adhesion and a ceramic-like finish that resists chips and rust over time. It's particularly useful if your calipers need restoration in addition to a new look.